Stand Up Education Against Discrimination was launched in January 2017. We're an interfaith programme and we work with young people nationwide around challenging all kinds of discrimination with a specific focus on anti-Semitism and anti-Muslim hate.
We aim to create a safe space where students feel comfortable to share their experiences of discrimination.
Our goal here at Stand Up is to break down the barriers and negative stereotypes about both the Jewish and the Muslim community.
Which parts of identity are protected? So as a clue, you already mentioned race. So race and ethnicity, that's one part of identity that's protected. What else is protected? Which other parts of identity? To date, we've seen over 10,000 young people in 50 schools, and our workshops are 100% free. They are led by 2 facilitators from Jewish and Muslim backgrounds, and this helps further break down any prejudices or stereotypes about the faiths.
The workshops are framed around British values and the Equality Act. We empower young people to report hate crime and teach them why they should do so, where they can do it, and what organisations are going to be there to support them.
Stand-up sessions are 1 or 2 hours long. They're really interactive and they're aimed at Year 9 students and above.
One of the really great things about the stand-up sessions is that they really empower young people on what to do if they see discrimination happening in their communities, to their friends, to their family, to somebody on the street. And it gives them the real tools on what to do, how to report it, and how to act in those different situations.
All of us here at Stand Up are incredibly passionate about the work that we do.
In this current climate, stand-up workshops are an invaluable tool for schools and young people to feel confident and empowered to challenge all forms of discrimination.
Happy and feel safe and welcome to live in. Thank you so much, it's been a great class.